Hey, it's Aaron, and today we'll be going through the solution for a reactor nuclear packing puzzle. This puzzle is a level 7 on the Puzzle Master difficulty scale. This puzzle and many others are available at puzzlemaster.ca. So we have this 3D printed packing arrangement. We have a bunch of these holes at different depths. I believe there's only 3 different heights. The lid is an aesthetic thing. We don't really need it for the puzzle, but kind of like it. Yeah, that looks cool. So, the whole goal of this puzzle is to put these pieces into this so it lays flat. Now, there's a couple of things that are in our way. We have the different depths of pins, but also you'll notice that some of these pins have either green or red caps on them, and there are magnets inside in these. And that repulsed it. Woo. So we also have that to contend with. They need to lay perfectly flat, and I guess so that you can put the lid back on. So we have actually 2 different puzzles here. We have, I'm assuming, the easy and the hard, even though I found that they're pretty similar in difficulty. But we'll just move these off the way for now, but not too far. So, the first piece I'm going to reach for, which is the pickiest piece of them all, is going to give us our orientation. So we're going to put it like this into the frame. Now you can see it's not sitting flat, the magnets are pulsing it, so our orientation's wrong. We will rotate it. It can't go all the way in. That's not deep enough. We'll rotate it again. Not deep enough. Boop. Perfect. And it actually even retains because the magnet's right. This will be our orientation for the rest of the video. No more rotating. So, from here, we will place, we have 2 of these 1 nubs. One's longer than the other. One I can't hold on to for my life. Our longer nub will go in this hole. Our shorter nub will go in the hole that I futzed with for a few moments there. Now that those are off the way, we will take this piece here and we'll put it in our corner. And just snaps right into place. Very satisfying. We will take this piece here and we'll load it right there. We will take this piece, put it like so. Take this squiggle and put it in the squiggle mark. And then our final piece, magnet, deepest hole, perfection. And that is the solution for the gold pieces, gold and green. And we can see it retains. We could put our lid back on. Nothing falls, well, except for that one that doesn't have a magnet. So I'm a liar, stuff falls out. But it's good, it's flush, it's perfect. So now I have to take these out. Regrettably, you can't just, it's difficult to just dump the tray, so we'll just pick them out manually. Okay, so now we will deal with the difficult. At least I believe that's the deal we got here. So, these kind of remind me of Lego too. That's kind of neat. Anyway, we have our orientation still set from the last solution. Then we will start with this line block. into the bottom. We'll put our C right here. We will put our tetromino shaped piece right. Oh. So the magnet will be in this hole. Like that. We will put our L block, also a tetromino. Actually, a lot of these, there's only 2 pieces that aren't proper tetrominos. We'll put our T block here. We will put our square block. I'll pull that out because there is variation. Oh, I can't pull it out. Oh no, it's all over. Oh gee, oh no. Oh, the butterfingers are happening. Okay. So this magnet will be in this corner. Yes. So the magnet's in that corner. This one right here. And then our final piece right there. Well, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, we have plenty more like it on our YouTube channel. Haven't had enough? Join our community on Facebook or Instagram. Want more puzzles? We have a massive catalog of puzzles at puzzlemaster.ca.